What's up? What's up? What's up? Yay! Hey man, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey man, I'm starting this out. You know what? After looking at people starting their own YouTube channel, I was telling my wife, I said, man, this is interesting. I had to jump off in here and do my own to try to see where we can go with this. Y'all have to excuse me. I had shoulder surgery not long ago, and I put some kind of it's the tension tape now that they make, and you can put it on your shoulder or your arm or whatever, and it's supposed to help the support of it. And I think my skin didn't adapt to it too well. So, yeah, if y'all see me scratching, it ain't because I'm nasty. No, you sure ain't. It's just because I'm itching. My whole body's itching a little bit. So, but that's what I want to do. But anyway, we'll get right down to it, man. I wanted to show you guys what I got. I cooked me some freshwater salmon. As you can see, take a good look. Take a good look at this. Look at that. Can you see that? Look at that. And some rice. And some spinach. Yes, indeed. And what I'm going to do, we're going to actually say grace, and we're going to drop right into it, okay? So, if I can stop this itching, my goodness, this is, woo, man, that's rough. Hold on just a second. Hey, Tyler. Ooh, y'all have to excuse me, because I'm having it rough right now. Turn that around this way from me. Y'all have to, have to get him to get it set up for me right quick. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. All right. So, we're going to say grace and we're going to drop right into it, okay? So, dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for this meal. We thank you for the preparing it. We thank you for the resources to be able to enjoy it. Right now, Lord, we ask now that you bless this food that the body receive for the nourishment, strength, the body of Christ's sake. Amen. For the anointing. Now, welcome to the Embry Entertainment Show. Food eating today is what we gonna do. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I would like to say, man, being inspired by Beloved, she is a big inspiration for a lot of YouTubers now that's doing this. And to be honest with you, that's where a lot of people have started with, because for one, she has a very beautiful personality that carries along with her YouTube and channel. So, and her personality comes off really well. That connects with a lot of people. That is something that's really good with her and her family. And also, just to look at her husband, the way he actually connects with her while doing that, that's a very good thing, man. That's a very good thing. I mean, he's very supportive. I mean, he actually helps her, her sons, both of her son and her son's friend. All of them clicks just right. And so, that, to be honest with you, you can't ask for anything better. You cannot ask for anything better. Look at him. I'm eating some of this salmon. It is good. Look at that. Yeah. It's really good. With the rice, and then with the spinach, if I can get it up, it's good for you. If anybody knows, spinach is really healthy for you. You got lemon on there, you get better than that. So, but yeah, but like I was saying, she has really inspired a lot of people throughout the doing this, that, she's invited people throughout across this country to into her life, and so many people actually have connected with her, and the people that's been inspired by her is doing extremely well as well. So I want to shout out to Be Love and the people that has really did well in following her, also. So that's one thing we're gonna do. We're gonna start this channel with us, the Embry Entertainment. So that way you'll see us eating, you'll likely see us out and about. Me and my family doing several things. Having a good time. Okay? So we got a lot to look forward to. Yeah. It's really good. The salmon. This is look. It is funny that I'm not a crab eater, a lobster, seafood type, but I can eat salmon. I can eat some salmon, but I can't eat that other stuff. I don't know why. I don't know why. Yeah, look. But like we love them do, they put that lemon on that crab and lobsters and stuff. I put my lemon on my spinach. Now it's good. It's really, really good. So you gotta try it. And you cannot. Look at here. Just look at that. Look. You see that? That salmon there is about as close. Look, I'm dropping behind. Everybody close to that. Everybody close to that gap. But having lobster meat or crab meat. So you need to try some. But guys, like I was saying, I had shoulder surgery a while back, and it really threw me for a loop. I didn't expect to be in the situation I was in. Go from full use of one arm or your shoulder to all of a sudden now you don't have full use, and that is like so crazy. That's crazy. That's something you have to get used to all over again. And I'm gonna have to figure that out, cause it's really got me. And then the way I work, type of work I do, it really puts me in a tough position not being able to lift my shoulder up. But I'm getting better with it as time progresses. It's getting a whole lot better. So, yep. This is really, really good. Now, see, I like to, with the spinach and salmon, and lemon, and with the corn, I put this in, I baked it for 15 minutes, and 375 with some lemon and black pepper and salt, and some spinach. Man, this is awesome. This is awesome. You can't get no better than this. You cannot get no better than this. And the rice. But it's toxic off. So, but yeah, I was looking at a lot of people talking about the BET Award last night. I didn't watch it. I didn't watch it at all. I'm not really into that no more. But from just the hearing of it, I don't know. I don't know. Things are changing. People just. But I guess people, and what we have to understand, the older generation have to understand, is that the younger generation feels like now that sex sells. So, meaning basically, they do something, they get on stage, and doing a show, 9 times out of 10, what they're looking at is that how much can they more so kind of be sexual content type, giving off that sexual image, and which makes the crowd go ooh, or it gets the attention, or it gets, whatever. So, pretty much a lot of respect is gone, and the more that got involved with showing a lot of the cleavage and a lot of the booty and stuff like that. And that's the way it is. They do whatever they feel is going to grab the attention. So, I should have got much more rice. I didn't even get enough rice. The rice is actually good. And I cooked all this myself. I sure did. I cooked all this myself. So, my wife, she was sitting up. Excuse me. I'm sitting and talking. And I said I was going to go ahead and do it. So, and I did it. I sure did. Here it is. But back to it. Y'all see I got my juice. Lemonade, see that? Good and cold. Good and cold. Sure is. Well, good and cold. Well, yep. Some lemonade. I got this from Walmart. It looked good when I was getting it. I was like, man, I got to try that. I got to try it. Oh, that was good. That's really good. That's really good. Look, market side, they sell it at Walmart. They sell it at Walmart. Try it. Go by, get you guys some, and try it and tell me what it tastes like. But back to the BT Award, they I seen a lot of people talking about it on Facebook. That a lot of people was kind of disgruntled about it, didn't like it. But then you have a lot of folks that did like it, especially like I said, Mary J. Blige did really well. So, Dropping food everywhere. Look, excuse me. But Mary Blind did well. But she is a good performer anyway. Everybody's off chain. She always have been a good entertainer. I mean, she's about as real as it gets, to be honest with you. You can't complain about that. She is really, she's really good at what she do, and what she does. Yeah, that's a good thing. You probably won't need a lemon for that. You don't have to change. That didn't taste too good with that. I didn't like that. Not like that. And the good thing about this, it does not, it don't fill you up. It don't fill you up. You know, like you think solid, or a whole lot more solid foods, the heavier food. They really don't. It just really help you with a Good. I hope you guys had a good day. I'm at the side of my jaw. That is good. 20 pounds. But I hope you guys had a good day. You know, whatever you're doing. So, I'm about to eat this up. Wow. Wow. That was good. That was really good. Look. That was good. As you can tell, the salmon is gone. But hey, that was really good. Could you not? That lemonade, it tastes pretty darn good. It tastes really good. Well, I came in, I came in from work, and I just decided, man, I'm gonna do it myself. And my son was telling me, and he was he wanted to get his YouTube channel started, so I guess we all be doing this for long, but I had to get me one going. Maybe because I was hungry, and I went on to utilize the time on YouTube to go ahead and do it from now on. So, but definitely, man, I am not gonna lie. I am inspired by those guys, the Be Love family. They're awesome, man. I hesitate for the longest doing it because I just didn't know how to really start out. So, but I had to come to grips to understand that it ain't how you start out. It's basically being able to find yourself and find, your own character, your own person with doing this. It's not like trying to be like anybody else. You have to find your own identity, and which is unique, and it actually is actually entertaining to others, that people want to see and people like to watch. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. My kids is just dying to get involved with it as well, and hopefully we can actually start doing it. We'll see. We don't know, but we're gonna hope for a friend for them. But we'll be doing a little bit of everything. I might bust out with singing some songs. We might do some everything, but you gonna know, we in here, we entertaining you. So, but I can guarantee you're gonna have a good time. You will enjoy it. I promise you, you will enjoy it. And you guys that watch us, give us thumbs up, give us likes, subscribe to us. Embry Entertainment. We are here. We ain't going nowhere. We starting it up, and we gonna catch everybody else that's out there. Okay. So starting today, you can remember this day, this very first moment that you have seen me, E, as you can call me, get on here and start it up with some salmon. Freshwater salmon. Freshwater salmon. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Yes. And by the way, and some good old fresh Kool-Aid, lemonade. Well, it ain't fresh squeeze, but it's good enough. So, but anyway, I'm definitely loving this. I think we're gonna enjoy it. I think I'm gonna like it. I think you guys gonna be well pleased with it, man. I hope you guys really enjoy it, and subscribe to us, and let us know what we can improve on. Always constructive criticism is always accepted. Let me know, if it's something that we can do better, especially from the different YouTubers that's experienced in this and done been in here for a while. Let me know in the comment section what we can do, or what we can do better, or what we need to do to make things a whole lot better for our YouTube channel as well. So, because I'm open to it. I'm open to any advice. Because like I said, we in it, and we gonna have a good time with carrying on, and just kind of laid back and enjoying the moment. Because see, I heard one of the YouTubers say it is nothing like being a YouTuber and having fun doing it, and at some point begin to really generate income from it. That you can't beat that. I mean, you really can't beat that. I mean, I don't care what nobody say. I mean, we all get tired of working for somebody else at some point. So, it's good that we can, find something that you like to do, that's fun, that's entertaining. You don't have anybody over your shoulder watching you, and you can actually have fun doing it. So why not eat? Why not carry on, So it's going to be, so many things we're going to do. It might be something different the next time. You just never know. You just never know. So, but we're going to definitely make sure that, we bring something, better to you. I know what these bumps come. I got a couple bumps here and there on me. God dog. I'm gonna show you guys my scar. Look. Alright. Just to kind of show you. You see that? I was telling you about I had shoulder surgery before I go. See that they hit me here, cut me here, cut me here, and they cut me on the back side. That is a bruise, like from when they actually, I guess, I don't know, when they was doing the surgery, and I don't know why that left a kind of a bruise right in here. But what they did was they had to also shave my collarbone down a little bit, because they said, you know, the way it was kind of, you know, damaged in there and so forth. So it is what it is. It's just, you know, recovering now is what I'm having to do. So, you know, that's what it is. So, but guys, it's I got a few more minutes on here. So, but I hope you guys do like it. Like I said, next time it might be me and one of my kids, or it might be me and my wife, or it might be me and me again. So, you let me know what you want to see. It's gonna be, it might be Ivy, it might be Tyler, it might be Layla, it might be Janetta, it might be me by myself again. Who knows? Who knows? Man, I kid you not. I am really, see, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like right there. I got a bit. I'm already having a hard enough time on my, I don't know, it's woo! Boy, it's rough. It's rough around here. But I hope you guys have enjoyed it, especially for my first one. I hope I kept you guys entertained enough that you really wanted to watch and watch more. I ate that up too fast, man. That's all. But that was a lot of salmon. That actually was a lot of salmon, to be honest with you. That was really big. That was look at the size of this plate. You see the size of this plate? Look at that. You see the size of the plate? See, this thing is about as long as half of my arm. You see that? That's how big that salmon was. So, but anyway, guys, I'm about to cut it loose. But what I'm going to tell y'all is the Embry Entertainment is here. And I'm telling you, we ain't going nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. You hear me? We ain't going nowhere. We gonna sit right here and we're gonna eat. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna make you laugh. Yeah. We gonna do it. Okay? So you guys enjoy it, man. Get on here, subscribe to us, leave comments in the comment section. Tell us what you like, tell us what you don't like. It ain't gonna hurt my feelings, no way. Even if some of you guys gonna get on here and criticize. So what? That's fine. It don't matter, because see, if you click on here and you're watching it long enough to criticize, I appreciate that too. Okay? Keep that in mind. Alright? Because your dislikes will turn into a like for me. Okay? Because I appreciate your attention that you showed. Alright? So I got a few seconds left on here, guys. So I want to tell you this, and you remember this. It's a thought for today that I'm going to leave you with. Okay? Remember, don't think too hard and don't be exhausted to put actions to your thoughts. Remember that. Boom. Embry Entertainment, once again. Boy!